Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use named functions in Google Sheets. Here this formula looks too much complicated, yet it returns the same result as this simple formula, okay? But it contains a custom function. Let me show you how to do this. Notice that in this entire formula there are only three arguments, that is the year, month and day. Okay, now copy the entire formula. Then from the data tab, go to named functions and click on add new function. Give a suitable name for your custom function. Let's say age calc, as we will be calculating age using this function. Give a suitable description. Let's say calculates age in years, months and days. Okay. Now for the argument placeholders, input all the arguments required for your custom function, that is year, month and day. So year, press enter, month and day. So these are the arguments required for the custom function. In the formula definition field, just paste the entire formula and change these absolute arguments to the argument placeholders used before, that is year, and this is month, and this should be day. Okay, so just copy paste this to the other arguments and click on next. After that your custom formula or custom function will look like this. Now you can give any description for your arguments or the formula arguments, that is the year of birth. Example, let's say 1971. The month of birth, let's say 12 for December. The day of birth, let's say 16. Now click on create. After that your desired custom function will be created. Now you can just use this custom function in the formula. So age, see the custom function is listed here. Year is, let's say 1971, month is 12, day is 16. Press enter and you get the same result as the previous formula. Okay, so this is how you can create named functions in Google Sheets. Now what if you need to use this function in other spreadsheets, let's say in this one. So if you try to insert the formula or function, you won't be able to, because the function is not available here. So what to do, go to data tab, named function, and then click on import function. Then select the particular spreadsheet that contains the created named function. Okay, and then click on insert. Now select the particular formula or function and then click import. After that you see the named function imported successfully. Okay, now insert the formula. Okay, so 1971, 12, 16. So this is how we can also import named functions from one spreadsheet to another. Okay, now what if you need to edit this custom function or remove it? Then go to the data tab again, named function, and then in the listed name function, click on the dotted menu beside each function and then click on edit. Okay, and then you can change anything you want, and you can also click on remove or make a copy. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.